Hacks to get things done, right? Today in this video, I'll be covering what are the hacks to get your things done. So I am KC Parmeshwaran, Visishta Seva Medal, productivity coach and an NLP expert, right? Without wasting much of time, let us get into the point. Number one, plan your day. So what you need to do is, whatever is the task for the next day, plan it the previous night itself so that your subconscious mind starts working on it in the night when you're sleeping, and the next day morning you are ready to execute that job, right? So that you will not procrastinate. So planning the job the previous night is very important. Coming to point number two, prioritize your plans. So whatever you have made the plan, the next day when you're going to, before starting the job, just prioritize which are the most important and most urgent tasks and put it in sequence wise, right? Put it in sequence wise and start performing the task so that you will complete the important task as early as possible. Next point, number three, find your best prime time. Find your best prime. Everybody has got their own productive hours. Like I got best productive hour between 7 to 9 or 7 to 10. Like somebody has from 9 to 11. Somebody has from 12 to 1. Somebody may be in the evening. Somebody may be in the night time. So identify your productive hour and put the most important task in that particular hour and execute the task. You will be successful. Coming to the fourth point, have distraction list and avoid it. Have a distraction list. What are your distractions? Keep that list, check that, and keep avoiding all those distractions so that you don't get distracted while you're performing, right, your task. Next is focus on your task. Even if you get distracted by your phone calls or anything else. So focus on the task. That is more important. Next is mute your notifications. Keep your notifications off. Why? Because every mobile has got more than 100 apps in their mobile, and each app wants to give you a notification to perform in their particular app. So what happens is, when you're performing a task and there is a notification, you get distracted, you go there, see what is the notification, and you come back to the work, you waste 17 to 20 minutes to come back to that particular concentration. So once you get distracted, it takes 17 to 20 minutes for you to come back to the task. So it is always advised that to keep your notifications off, but keep your notification of your bank on, and for the Google Calendar, if you're planning your day in the Google Calendar, keep the notification on for that. Fine. Declutter your workspace before you start working. If everything is cluttered, your drawers, your table, everything, please arrange it in a better way and start off so that your mind will not get cluttered seeing the things lying all around. Fine. Have a stop doing list. See, there are some things which we need not do. It is not urgent. Like if you're not, if you don't have a task of checking the emails every day officially, then don't check the email. If you check the email, you will waste half an hour to 45 minutes. You will go into a website, you will find something shiny object, you will go into their blogs and you will start scrolling that, and you will waste half an hour to 45 minutes. So don't check emails in the morning. Like that. What are the things you should not do? Have a list of that and follow it. Next, do one thing, complete, and then move to the next thing. So whatever task you're doing, don't skip between tasks. Finish off that task, then go to the next task. Don't do multitasking. If you do multitasking, you cannot achieve success in all the tasks. Some tasks will be lagging. So always finish off one task and then go to the next task. Next is time blocking. Use Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes and 5 minutes break. Again 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. 25 minutes work, 25 minutes break. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. But if you are working in software or something, you may not, you may require continuous concentration. So you can take 3 Pomodoros or 4 Pomodoros, like four Pomodoros, then take a half an hour break, right? So that will help you. So use Pomodoro technique for time blocking. Then have breaks in between. See, breaks are very important to refresh yourself, to keep you fit, so that you have full focus on the task you're doing. Go out in that break, go out, have a cup of coffee, have an ice cream, walk around, see the buildings around, so that your eyes also get rest and you are ready to perform again after that break, right? Then, after everything is done, take time for yourself, minimum 2 hours a day, to relax and be calm and cool, so that your body and mind relaxes in the evening. You can take your family to the restaurant or anywhere, however you want to, whatever way you want, you can relax your body. So these are the important hacks to get your things done. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it to your friends, comment in the comment box, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified when I post new videos, right? And if you are interested to learn more about productivity, procrastination, focus, and mindset, you can click the link below and join my VIP FB group. Thank you and have a nice day.